Cardano was among the best performers among the top cryptocurrencies in June, as the traders assessed a key upgrade that promised to enhance the blockchain's smart contract capabilities. Dubbed Vassal, the hard fork has been rescheduled to the end of this month, and the news about it has filled the air. As a result of the euphoria surrounding the upcoming upgrade, analysts have speculated a major ADA upside. So without further ado, let's get into the video and find out more about it. And as always, be sure to watch until the end. Cardano 88 prepares to witness a huge upside as the hard fork FOMO looms, and investors hope to bring them to another price rally like in the past. ADA's price increased by over 14% to 64 cents compared to the 6% gains on Ethereum on June 6. Cardano's price history reveals a similar behavior among traders before all hard fork events. Last year, the Alonzo upgrade introduced smart contract functionalities to the network and preceded a 200% price rally. Similarly, the Mary hard fork preceded ADA's 1600% price rally. The previous price rallies, which led to the hard fork events, occurred in an expansionary macro environment, and at the time when the interest rates were about zero, with the Fed buying $120 billion worth of government bonds each month. Currently, the US central bank turned hawkish after witnessing higher inflation, and so many analysts argue that there is less US dollar liquidity to buy riskier assets like stocks and crypto. Cardano reeled under the pressure of the Fed tightening, with ADA trading about 80% lower than the September 2021 peak of $3.10. This downside move included major bounces. The Alonzo hard fork ushered in the execution of smart contracts and made the eco-friendly cryptocurrency a big name in decentralized finance. Before the launch of this upgrade last year, the Cardano community criticized the platform for not living up to its promises of offering smart contract support. Some of users were even skeptical about whether the functionality will ever become a reality on the network. However, all of those concerns were laid to rest within a month. Apart from incorporating smart contract functionality, the hard fork facilitated automatic cryptocurrency lending and trading. Cardano had more utility to its users, with it being a proof-of-stake currency. The upgrade also bolstered tokenization and non-fungible token ideas. But what should Cardano holders expect from the Vassal hard fork? Well, apart from the outstanding improvements to the network, the hard fork is set to make you insanely rich. Cardano's development team, Input Output Global, has confirmed in a report that the final node needed for the Vassal hard fork launch, Node 1.35.0, has successfully been released. Today, we are pleased to report that the IOG team has successfully tagged and released Cardano Node 1.35.0, which we can confirm will be the final candidate for the mainnet Vassal release, the team report stated. Also, the team noted that the release of the node brings it significantly closer to the long-anticipated Cardano upgrade. According to the team, the nodes are ready, and the next step is to prepare for the launch of the hard fork on the Cardano testnet. IOG further stated that at the moment, 75% of stake pool operators are on the testnet update proposal. The Vassal hard fork remains one of the most anticipated upgrades on the network. It is expected to usher the blockchain into a stage of increased scalability and interoperability, which is known as the Basho phase on the network's roadmap. In addition, over 500 dApps in development are expected to boost the network's TVL and ADA valuation. It was reported that the upgrade had been shifted to the end of July. The team disclosed in another blog post that the complexity of the upgrade required extra care, and as such, should not be rushed. In anticipation of the upgrade, investors and whales have been accumulating the ADA token. As a result, ADA has been at the forefront of recent crypto market rallies, with a renewed belief in the possibility of the asset clinching the $10 price point. According to a report, the long-awaited upgrade has successfully gone through the testnet and is expected to deploy in a month. We are happy to report that today, at 2020 UTC, the IOG team has successfully forked the Cardano testnet. This is an important next step in the journey towards the Vassal upgrade on the mainnet, the IOG team announced on Sunday. The team also asked stake pool operators and developers building on the blockchain to start the final testing and integration processes. Vassal is a complex program of work. Projects will need to check backwards compatibility, and SPOs will need to make some scripting adjustments, IOG said. Hours after the testnet launch, Cardalonia, a metaverse on the Cardano blockchain, also announced that the launch was a success. Congrats to Cardano and IOHK Media for the testnet success. Now Cardano's Vassal hard fork is inevitable. We are glad to be building on Cardano, a tweet read. The hard fork is expected to deploy on the mainnet 4 weeks after its implementation on the testnet, which implies that the upgrade could go live in early August. The Vassal upgrade is the most ambitious program of work that we have undertaken, and the whole community is involved. Our prime concern is ensuring we manage this upgrade in a way that is safe and secure, IOG stated in a tweet. Moreover, at noon on Sunday, the 7th coin by market cap ADA was up by 3% over the past 24 hours, trading at 46.5 cents USD. It was down 5% in a week and 17% in a month, according to CoinGecko. With the excitement about the hard fork in the air, Cardano holders should expect some good news soon. The Vassal hard fork would bring to the table more than some users might think. Previously, it was impossible to port a lot of ERC20 tokens on the network because of the missing functionality of the blockchain. However, with the Vassal upgrade, Cardano will allow users to utilize and develop a new class of tokens, non-custodial, stablecoins, and stateful tokens. One problem is that they will only remain at the protocol level, and some time will be needed for tooling. As developers get more familiar with new functions of the hard fork, users will start seeing the first solutions built with the use of the new functions. Cardano wallets will also start working differently, as they would need to change the method of handling tokens. Furthermore, with the implementation of this upgrade, Cardano will see several improvement protocols that are aimed at updating the network's overall performance and throughput. Smaller changes will affect the optimization of the Cardano network and make it more developer-friendly, which is an essential change for the mostly actively developed network in the industry. Cardano's decentralized applications are expected to become more user-friendly and optimized. Onboarding applications currently in development is also expected to become more straightforward. Cardano is going to stake out a place among the biggest projects in the digital assets industry, and this will make all Cardano ADA holders rich overnight, as the $10 price point becomes more realistic. Dan Garbondello, a huge fan of Cardano and host of the popular YouTube channel Crypto Capital Venture, told his over 229,000 Twitter followers that ADA will probably hit $10 a lot sooner than most think. He also explained that Cardano's market cap would only be around $330 billion. Of course, $330 billion is 50% more than Ethereum's current market cap, which is about $220 billion. But there are several crypto analysts, such as CryptoJeb, who believe that Cardano could flip Ethereum. Cardano has the best chance to flip Ethereum, Altcoin Daily tweeted, posting a link to the full interview with CryptoJeb. Garbondello believes that Cardano will reach the $10 price point because it is silently positioning itself as the most sound, secure, and scalable blockchain, and with the euphoria about the upcoming hard fork, it will become more of a reality. Moving forward, the current bear market has seen crypto prices fall drastically from their all-time highs, with the market leaders in terms of market cap such as Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping 50% from all-time highs they set last year. However, some in the crypto community are looking at this bear market as an opportunity. A crypto community member who views the current market as an immense opportunity is the Twitter user tagged as Crypto Recruiter. According to him, Bitcoin will one day hit $150,000 and Cardano ADA will reach $10 per coin. He added that it was his personal opinion as well. It is an undeniable fact that the bear market has paved the way for several investment opportunities, as prices across the board may not reflect the true value of projects in the crypto space. Cardano is a vivid example. One factor to keep in mind when determining the value of ADA is the Vassal hard fork. Considering this upgrade, Cardano is set to surpass its competitors in terms of daily transaction volume and the collective total value locked in DeFi applications built on the Cardano blockchain. If $10 per coin comes true for ADA, then the market cap would reach $450 billion. But as always, let us have your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.